Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use templates in VistaCreate for fast design. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and go to VistaCreate website. Simply type create.vista.com and click on enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. On the dashboard, you will see a range of design formats such as Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, or Facebook post. Or you can also create a custom design by clicking on custom size button here. Now select the format that best fit your design needs. Once you have selected the format, you will be taken to the page full of pre-designed templates. Here you can see many templates. Use the search bar to find template by keyword, theme or style, for example sales, business or birthday. I am going to create a birthday card here. Click on enter. Now you will see various free templates. You can browse through the available templates and click on the one that fits your vision. This will open the template in the editor. Now you can edit the template to match the design requirement. You can change the text. Click on the text box to modify the text. You can also replace this image. You can swap out the image by clicking on the photo and right-clicking and deleting it. And you can also upload your own photo. Go to Uploads and click on Upload Image or Video button. Now select the image from your local device. Here I am going to use this photo. After the image is loaded, you will see your photo here. Simply click on it and it will come up in this canvas. Now right click on your photo and set the photo as background. You can edit any icons, shapes or illustrations. Drag and drop new element from the Objects tab or modify the existing one. Once you are satisfied with the edits, click on Export button. Download a design by clicking on the Download As button and then select the format. After that, click on Download button to download it. Using templates saves you a lot of time as most of the design work is already done for you. You just need to personalize it. So that is how you can use templates in VistaCreate for fast designs. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.